What's up, tech lovers? Great to have you back. Let's jump right into today's fascinating tech discovery. Today, we're going to explore the Marshall Heston 120 soundbar, a powerhouse of immersive sound that's about to change the way you experience your favorite movies, TV shows, and music. With its sleek design and advanced features, this soundbar is not just a device, it's an experience. So, let's dive in and see what makes it so special. First off, the Marshall Heston 120 soundbar boasts immersive sound for movies and music, thanks to its Dolby Atmos technology. This means you get clear and detailed, three-dimensional audio that you can feel. Imagine watching your favorite movie with sound that surrounds you, making you feel like you're right in the middle of the action. The Dolby Atmos technology ensures that every sound, from the rustling of leaves to the roar of an explosion, is crystal clear and precisely positioned, creating an immersive experience like no other. Whether you're a movie buff or a music lover, this soundbar is sure to take your entertainment to the next level. Another key feature of the Marshall Heston 120 soundbar is its powerful bass. With two built-in subwoofers, this soundbar produces lifelike audio and special effects with an even bigger impact. The bass is deep and rich, making you feel every beat and every explosion. But what's really impressive is how well the bass is integrated into the overall sound. It's not just about the volume, it's about the quality of the sound. The subwoofers work seamlessly with the rest of the soundbar to create a balanced and immersive sound that will leave you breathless. Whether you're watching an action movie or listening to your favorite music, the powerful bass of the Marshall Heston 120 soundbar is sure to impress. Now, let's talk about connectivity. The Marshall Heston 120 soundbar offers multi-wireless connectivity, allowing you to connect through Bluetooth or Wi-Fi with AirPlay, Google Cast, Spotify Connect, or TIDAL Connect. This means you can easily stream your favorite music or podcast from your phone or tablet, or connect your TV or gaming console for a more immersive experience. The soundbar also has HDMI and RCA inputs, making it easy to connect to your existing devices. With so many connectivity options, you can enjoy your music and movies in any way you want. But that's not all. The Marshall Heston 120 soundbar also comes with integrated music services, allowing you to program the preset button in the Marshall app to get instant access to Spotify, TIDAL, or internet radio. This means you can quickly and easily access your favorite music without having to navigate through menus or apps. The soundbar also has sound modes, including movie, voice, music, and night mode, which allow you to customize your listening experience to suit your needs. Movie mode raises the volume on drama and intensifies effects, while music mode brings playlists to life with rich sound. Voice mode keeps dialogue front and center, and night mode reduces loud effects and keeps speech clear. In conclusion, the Marshall Heston 120 soundbar is an incredible device that offers immersive sound, powerful bass, and multi-wireless connectivity. With its advanced features and sleek design, it's the perfect addition to any home entertainment system. Whether you're a movie buff, a music lover, or just someone who wants to elevate their entertainment experience, this soundbar is sure to impress. So what are you waiting for? Find the link in the description below to get your hands on the Marshall Heston 120 soundbar today and experience the future of sound. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch